Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, we are going to check out ClickRank. As you can see, it's like a one-click solution for your all on-page needs. That's what they are advertising here. And as you can see, it scans and optimizes real time without any extra tools. So it eliminates a lot of different tools and it brings all the features together into a single tool. You can automatically optimize your title tag. It takes the information from your Google search console. So the main data that it uses is from your search console. So if you are not getting any clicks or traffic directly from Google, then it's not going to work because it's not having any data to optimize it. And meta description, and it can also create AI generated image alt tag that can improve visibility of your images and automate your schema markup. So these are the main things that it can do. It automate your title, automate your meta descriptions, automate your alt tag and schema. Then it also looks at technical SEO issues, and here are the different plans that's available on a lifetime deal right now. And as you can see, the price is going to increase very soon. So if you are planning to get it right now, test it, because you don't have anything to lose here, right? You get like a 60-day full money back guarantee. See if it's working for your website, and if it's working, then keep it, otherwise just get the refund. So before getting it, I had certain concerns with this. I asked here in the questions to clear my doubts. So let's look at the crawl limit here. So if you are on a $69 lifetime deal, you get 500 monthly crawls. And the 138 plan gives you 1000 crawls, and the plan 3 gives you like 2500 pages. You can have up to 3 users and you can have up to 5 websites. So if you are a medium user, I would definitely recommend the plan 3, because you can add more websites here. And yeah, it also can track unlimited keywords from your Google search console, can do keyword analysis, optimization. The crawl interval is unlimited. Internal link automation is also there. Heading optimization, content optimization, keyword presence analysis, keyword research tool, SEO reports. So all of these are available in all plans. The only limit is the number of pages that can be crawled per month and the number of websites that you can use it. So this guy is the founder of Kattab, which was like an SEO content writer. I also had Kattab. As you can see, I never use it because the quality of the content that it produces is really bad. As you can see, I don't use the quota whatsoever. So I have that. Personally, I don't have a good experience with this Kattab software, mainly because it generates the article and each paragraph is completely different. The entirety or the meaning of the article is not there. When you read the article, you can feel that it's different paragraph stitched together without any reading flow, right? You can definitely see that something is not right with the article from Kattab. So that's why I stopped using it. And the people are also asking the same questions here. Rank Math SEO plugin integration would be great, somebody asked here, and he said we are working on that. So what if you want to switch the website, right? He says that it's totally doable. Just delete the site from the dashboard. Removing the site like wipes out all the optimization that you did till then, and any pages you already counted. That's how it works. If you remove a website, you will lose all the optimization done with the software, with the service. As my other doubt was that whether if we have like another plugin, right? So for example, Rank Math or any other SEO plugin, can it like conflict with this app? So what he is saying that using ClickRank with Squarely or any other SEO plugin, ClickRank applies its tweaks with JavaScript after the page loads, so it can sit on top or override any hard-coded meta tags from Squarely or similar plugin. So you can keep the SEO plugin or disable its on-page SEO module if you rather have ClickRank handles all the information. So what it's saying that it overrides all your current optimization if you have this. So that's what he's saying. I also asked some questions regarding this about the credit usage. He said like there are no credit system. The limits are for number of websites, user and crawled pages. And yeah, if you remove the website, all the optimization will be removed. So I still was not clear about the page limit. If I buy like a 500 page limit plan, and if I want to like crawl suppose 501 page, then he said we will scan up to 500 pages in total. The cap never resets. What I understand is that suppose I have a 500 page website, right? It crawls 500 page every month. If there is like 501 page, that one page will be left out. Each month we recrawl the site and add new pages until you reach 500. So this is what's interesting here. From what I understand, the next month I have that one page, right? The next month, if I don't want to do any further optimization to that page, then the next month it is going to look for like new pages that I have added to my website, and then it will crawl that. That's how it works. That's reasonable. That doesn't mean you are stuck with only the 500 page optimization, right? Those were my main issues. So since that's fixed, I decided to buy this, and I got 3 codes, and I'll just redeem it right now. Just click on redeem. I need to give my full name here, so I need to actually copy paste this code here. So that's how I activate this. So if I sign into my account, so this is how it looks. So I can add my domain here. Let me just add this. So if you have subdomain, then you can choose this. But if you have a domain level crawl, then you can select this. So I don't have any subdomain related to this, so I can select this. I want to turn this on. So if you want any specific folders that you want to exclude, you can give like a slash and that folder path here. Let me just connect it right now. Okay. So it's scanning all the pages, as you can see. While that's happening, you can see the web health here, the number of errors and one. So if I want, then I need to connect my search console. So log into the same account where the search console is connected and just continue. So it found my website there, since I have already connected search console there. Now what I need to do is get this, select from the drop down and select it to connect. Now as you can see, it's connected. So I need to copy and paste the script in your website to verify the ownership and unlock. Okay, we need to paste it to the header. Just copy the code here, go to your website, go to dashboard, then in your appearance here, go to theme file editor, then go to your header.php, then you see this code, right? Just give it like a space, then add and paste this code like this, and just click on update file. And once it's saved, you can just click on verify the ownership, and as you can see, now our verification is complete. And if we look at the dashboard now, you can see like all the errors, right? There are like 37,000 warning, 276 notice, 154 errors. So let me see. Oh, if I just click this, it will dismiss that. So it did like an audit, right? This is where a lot of issues happening. There are like 19 pages with description. There are like duplicate h1 tags with 131 pages have duplicate h1 tags, missing link titles. Okay, so that's the main issue here. So once you have set up everything, this is the dashboard where you can see all the details, like the top 3 ranking keywords, top 4 to 5, and all the queries and how it's performing. Everything is from the search console, as you can see. and you can also see the pages from which country that you are getting traffic, the devices, and the date as well about the impression changes. So that's how you see this. And you can also get image details if you just click here, the number of images and the images that are driving traffic to your website. And yeah, and then the next option is optimize, where if you want, you can optimize specific URLs. You can also search by the keywords, and you can also sort by optimized and not optimized URLs. You have like lot of filtering option. This is where you come in if you need like a specific optimization for a specific URL, and you can also add different URLs or even import sitemaps, and you can also export the settings as well. And for the campaign, this is just click. Since I don't have any schema, let's start this. Let's optimize the pages, then click on launch. This is campaigns are, you can set up specific campaigns. You can select whether you want title, tags, meta description, schema generator, the campaign type, and you can select the strategy, target word, target pages, AI settings, and then launch specific campaigns to optimize if you need more control. And the audit page is where we look at all the technical issues of the website. As you can see, you can set this up, automatically solve like title tag, and you can just save it, and whenever there is an issue, it will automatically solve all those issues. And you can just save the settings, and you can see like whether there is anything missing, and the how it looks, how the optimization overall looks. And you can also sort it by the date to see specific information in that date. Then there is like a keyword research tool that's built in. The UI is really good. You can see up to 100 results. For example, let's search for the keyword term, right? Let's search for ClickRank itself. Let's see how it's doing in the US. So there is no volume for ClickRank. So there is no global volume finder. Only specific countries can be selected. And as you can see, let's say like YouTube. So in order to show you some metrics, as you can see the search volume, the age distribution of the people who are searching this, keyword difficulty, and top 10 results are also listed here. And you can also see different keywords, and you can select up to 100 keywords. Is there any option to export it? I don't think so. There is no option to actually export it. And you can search Google, and you can add it to your track. So if I just click on track, see, we can start tracking the performance of this keyword. So that's really great. The only thing is that you cannot export it. You can just quickly search for the volume of a specific keyword and just get some quick metrics. For the tracker, this is where you can add keywords that you want to track. For example, if I want the keyword soft, then I can add that keyword here. Then I can add like a target URL, and I can specify whether it needs to be tracked worldwide or on a specific device. Then just click on track. And you can also add multiple keywords by giving each keywords on separate lines as well. And you can also export this. So that's how you track it. Then this is where you track the different websites that you connected, and you can see the details or the logs of different websites. Last, there is like a claim your gift option. You can actually add like a review and get some gifts for this. So it's totally optional if you want to do it. Basically, I think this is like a good piece of software. If you are like a one-man show, then this is definitely good to have, because it takes care of a lot of things. It's like a one-click optimization solution that will save you a lot of time, because it can do a lot of things from a single dashboard. And the best part is it's completely automated. If I come to the main dashboard here, and if I just click on auto solve issues, when I click it, as you can see, all the issues are now solved. And you can also select the automation settings here, which what all settings do you want to automate automatically, so it will take care of all the issues. And as you can see, if I look at my audit now, most of the issues are now resolved. I hope this was helpful, and if you liked to check this out, I will have the link in the description before the price goes up. I would definitely encourage you to get this, and if you are not satisfied, you can definitely get your money back as well. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day. Click that thumb.